Hi everyone, I am Sandhya, Department of Mathematics from SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the testing of hypothesis. In this testing of hypothesis, the test of significance of small sample, or we can identify it is a small sample. In this small sample, n value is less than 30, that is n value is less than 30, we use small sample. Okay, in the small sample there are so many types of having. The main topic is t-test. So in this class we are going to see about the student t-test. Okay, in the student t-test is a statistical method used to determine whether there is a significant difference between the mean of two groups. Now we are going to see about the formula for student t-test. In this student t-test is using t equal to x bar minus mu divided by s divided by root of n minus 1. If n is, that is here the n denote the sample size. Okay, so if it is standard deviation is given, we use this formula, that is x bar minus mu divided by s divided by root n minus 1. Okay, if it is standard deviation is not given, we use the formula as x bar minus mu s divided by root n. Okay, so now here the s value is not given, so we have to find the s for s. Okay, so we use how we can find this s. So we use the formula as s square equal to summation x minus x bar the whole square divided by n minus 1. In this t-test, the degrees of freedom is gamma equal to n minus 1. So you know the procedure for small sample. What are the procedure having? Yes, it is first we are going to formulating H0 and H1. How we can formulating the H0 and H1? H0 is there is no significant difference between the mean, that is population mean. H1 is just opposite of the H0, that is complementary of H1. So if it is, there is no significant difference, all the values are equal. If it is H1, complementary of H0, if it is not equal to or greater than or less than. If it is not equal to, we use the two tail, consider as a two tail. If it is greater than or less than, we consider as a one tail. If it is greater, if it is it is a right one tail. If it is the values less than, so it is a left one tail. Next we want to choosing the level of significance. Generally the level of significance is, we use what is the level of significance? Generally we have to use 5% and 1%. If it is mentioned in the problem, we take 5% or 1%. If it is not mentioned in the problem, we take it is a 5%. Okay, so third one is we using the test statistic. What is the test statistics? There are two value. One is yes, standard deviation is given, we use the formula. Another one is standard deviation is not given, we use x bar minus mu divided by s divided by root n. Okay, next pick out the critical value from the tabulation. Then we have to consider as a last step is conclusion. If it is table value is maximum, H0 is accepted. If the table value is minimum, H0 is rejected. If it is H0 is rejected, automatically H1 is accepted. Now we are going to see one problem. So see the problem. So here a random sample of 10 boys is given. Okay, so we choosing the random of 10 boys. In this 10 boys, so n value is 10. So it is a small sample. Okay, so here the following IQs. What are the IQs? 70, 120, 110 and 101, 88 and 88. Next is 70, 95 and 96, 107, 100. Do this data support the assumption of a population mean IQs of 100? So our condition is testing the hypothesis. The assumption of population mean is 100 or not. Okay, so next we want to, if it is the population mean is 100, then we want to find the reasonable range. Okay, so the reasonable range for the mean of IQ's value is sample of the 10 boys. So see the problem. In this problem, n value is minimum 30, that is n is 10. We using the small sample. Next, in this problem we want to calculate the mean value is 100 or not. So it is depending upon the mean value. So we are going to use t-test. Okay, so we want to, what is the formula for t-test? X bar minus mu divided by standard deviation is given s by root n minus 1. Standard deviation is not given. X bar minus mu divided by s by root n. Okay, so in this problem standard deviation is not given. Okay, so we use the formula is x bar minus mu divided by s by root n. Okay, so next, so what are the values given? N is 100, then mu value, that is mu value is 100 and n value is 10. Okay, so next we want to, using this data, we want to find the x bar. How we can find the x bar? The given value of the IQs, adding all the value, then divided by 10, the value is x bar. Okay, so see the x bar value is 97.2. Okay, next we want to, here in this problem the standard deviation is not given, so we want to find the s. So how we can find s value? So using the formula s square equal to summation of x minus x bar the whole square divided by n minus 1. You know all the values of x and x bar. So we have to form the table. So see, okay, so see, these are the x value. So see, 70, 120, 10, 110 and 101 and so on up to 100. Then we want to, you know the x bar value, what is? 97.2. So we have to subtract x value minus x bar value. Okay, so next, you know x minus x bar value, then we want to find the x minus x bar the whole square value. So just square of this one. Okay, so all square. Okay, then we want to find the summation value. So see the summation value. So the summation value is 1833.6. Then this is the s square. Next we want to find only that is these are the value of summation x minus x bar the whole square value, isn't it? Then we want to find the s square value. Or we can find the s square value. Yes, summation x minus x bar the whole square divided by n minus 1. You know all the value. You know summation x minus x bar the whole square value.